earth is love, brother and sister. Men venerable, no equanatical equanimity, master and missus of the church triumph and the new world Bible and King Alpha and Queen Omega, a peer of black people. God is known in his palace for refuge. He's king over all the earth. Jah we love and not another. One God for all the people on the face of the earth. One time God have made life. He's undefeated genealogy. God is his majesty. Open your ears and open your heart and listen to these words, for it's a universal message to all nations. God is the respecter of no one. He's the maker of all man and woman. Treasures of righteousness is love. Love me, I leave a star in God and not a man. Rastafari is the only generator and venerable, the almighty God of earth. From the royal house of Moses, Joshua, Minilek and Melchizedek. He's from Iran. He's from all the Iran tribes of David. He's of Solomon tribe. He's the 55th Solomonic dynasty. He represents us throughout the world, and we love him for he's God over all the earth. He's King Creator, King Redeemer, mighty in